How to buy United MileagePlus miles. Buying United MileagePlus miles can help you top up your account for award flights, upgrades, and other travel benefits. Here's a structured guide on how to purchase United miles safely and efficiently. What are United MileagePlus miles? United MileagePlus miles are the loyalty currency of United Airlines, used for booking award flights, upgrading seats, and redeeming for travel perks, hotel stays, and more. Why buy United miles? Buying miles is useful when you're close to booking an award flight but need additional miles, want to take advantage of promotions, or need to secure a last-minute booking during peak travel seasons. How to buy United MileagePlus miles. Log into your MileagePlus account, navigate to the Buy Miles section, select the number of miles you need, and complete the purchase using a valid payment method. Cost of buying United miles. United miles are typically sold at a fixed price, with discounts or bonus miles offered during promotional periods. Check for ongoing promotions to maximize value when purchasing. Annual purchase limits. United imposes a limit on the number of miles you can buy each calendar year. Verify your current purchase limit in your account before buying miles. Look for promotions and bonus offers. United often offers promotional bonuses or discounts when buying miles, such as extra miles for the same price or reduced rates, providing better value for your purchase. Best uses for purchase miles. Use purchase miles for premium cabin flights, international routes, and last-minute bookings, where miles often provide better value than cash fares. Risks of buying miles. Purchase miles can lose value if not used promptly due to devaluation or changes in the loyalty program. Avoid buying miles without a specific redemption in mind. Maximizing value from United miles. Redeem miles for high-value award flights, especially in business and first class, or during peak seasons when cash prices are high. Keep an eye on United's award chart and partner airlines for the best redemption options. Buying United MileagePlus miles is a strategic way to enhance your travel rewards. By purchasing during promotions, using miles for premium travel experiences, and managing your account wisely, you can maximize your travel benefits and make the most of your miles.